Morning guys. Well, it's round 2 of my hamburger challenge. I'm out to find the best hamburger in Melbourne. So it's Saturday, it's cold, it's miserable, it's a day for a hamburger. So let's go. On my quest to find the best burger in Melbourne, I'm at the Famished Wolf in Brayside. I had great reviews about this from a couple of people on Facebook, so I decided to sort of try it out, see what it's like. Great little setup here, nice and cozy. Have a look. This burger is freaking awesome compared to the other shit that I had yesterday. It's nice and spicy. I got a spicy one. Awesome. The patty's nice and thin. The condiments in there are nice and fresh. It's not overflowing with cheese. It's really nice, guys. The Famished Wolf in Brayside, really nice. I'm going to turn into a fat bastard if I keep eating like this, but hey, I regulate it. I don't eat too much, sort of. The burger's well done. Making short work of it, so it must taste good. It's got a Mexican influence to it. It's got some avocado, pickles, tomato, chili sauce. It's really nice. Yeah, good recommendations, guys. Luke and Lynn, thanks for that. What a contrast from that bloody McDonald's burger. Huge. Gonski. You can't eat too much of this stuff. I mean, it put on a bit of weight. And I definitely can't afford to put on any more weight than what I've got. Putting a bit of yellow mustard sauce. I decided to sit outside because, you know, it's a bit cold in there. When the sun's out, it's nice and warm. Get the shades on. Yep, pretty damn good. So it's a pretty nice burger. I wonder how it stacks up against the others. Well, the Famished Wolf burger hit the spot. The fries were nice. Look, it's too early for me to compare anything yet, so next week I'll try another one and we'll see how we end up, or where we end up. Till next time, guys, have a great weekend. Ciao for now.